I showed you the mom with the baby raccoons yesterday, but I think this is the mother foraging along the shoreline on the Seekonk River. You get about a minute of this. This painted turtle was sitting on a rock about 4 feet offshore. I walked right down to the shoreline to look at the tadpoles and it never moved. It seemed worried, but it never went anywhere, and I have never had that happen to me with a painted turtle before. Very interesting. I'm not sure what's going on. You've got 20 seconds of some very good pictures of bullfrog tadpoles breaching in Ridgeside Lake. Every day it is harder to find Fowler's toed tadpoles in Ridgeside Lake. This one is about full size. It's got its beginnings of legs under the base of the tail. If you look at it, especially in full screen, you can see that there's tiny little projections sticking out right under the base of the tail, and that is the very first part of the legs starting to develop. In the rainwater pool, the best place to get a picture is in the shadows of some plant. And it's very hard to get pictures, but there's lots of little tadpoles. And we'll finish it off with about 25 seconds of flying swift in slow motion. Some actually pretty interesting pictures out over the fields.